To purchase USDT on OKX, you can follow these steps on either the mobile app or desktop website, as the process is largely the same. Start by navigating to the Buy Crypto section and selecting Express Buy, which allows you to buy cryptocurrency directly using various payment methods, including Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and hundreds of others. Upon selecting Express Buy, you will be taken to a page that outlines the process in a few steps, including choosing from over 400 accepted payment methods and selecting from a range of currencies. Here, you can choose your currency, for example, Euros, and then select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You will then be shown the conversion rate, and you can choose to specify the amount you want to buy in either your chosen currency or in USDT. For instance, if you want to buy 100 USDT, you will see the equivalent amount in your currency, which in this case would be approximately 93 euros. Once you have specified the amount, you can click Buy USDT and complete the purchase using one of the accepted payment methods. After the payment has been processed, you can view your newly purchased USDT by navigating to the My Assets section, where it will be listed.